Lochani, my name is Tando Mahlangu. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I get to teach you IsiNdebele. I teach you IsiNdebele so that when you come to South Africa or when you come to Ndebele, Kwamhlanga, or when you meet Ndebele, you'll be able to talk basic Ndebele language, you know. So now today I'm going to teach you about the word that have similar sounds, or the word that got similar things but meaning different things in English. For example, sizokuthi ithunzi. We can say ithunzi namkhana isithunzi. Then when you translate it in English, it means shadow or shadow. Kuya ngokuthi ufundephi. It goes back to where you study your high school and primary education, you know. Then you say thusela. Thusela. When you say uyang thusela, you mean is intimidating you. Yeah, it's intimidating you. Thusela, ukthusela, uyang thusela, you mean this person is intimidating me. And then when you say thuthuka, you mean grow, develop, or go forward, you know. When you say thuthukisa, you mean develop or promote. Develop or promote. When you say thuthumbisa, it's thuthumbisi. It's thuthumbisi. It could be a bomb, but it's something that is explosive. Thuthumba, ukthuthumba, it means explosive. It's to explode. You know, thuthumela, ukthuthumela. When you say to someone, you know, ngiyathuthumela, you mean I'm feeling cold, I'm freezing, I'm getting cold, things like this. When you say isithuthutu, it's thuthutu, it's a motorbike, it's a bike. Siyibiza ngokuthi isithuthutu ngesiNdebele. Then when you say ithuthuva, it means it's conflict. You mean conflict. Ithuthutu. No, ithuthuva. It could be a pimple, or you could mean a conflict. When you say uthuvi, uthuvi, yey, kelimlesien. Yo. Yeah, ngelimlesien lingbalekele. It has run out of my vocabulary, you know, uthuvi. But loosely translated, it means shit, you know. So yes. So today I was teaching you about the same words, one word that could mean different things, or a word that saying different things, or it sounds the same, but it's not the same, or the meaning is not the same. Bagwethu, ibizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu. Let's meet again tomorrow, where I'll be teaching you about other interesting stuff of Ndebele, IsiNdebele. You can follow me on TikTok at Thando Mahlangu _. You can follow me on Twitter at Thando Mahlangu _. You can follow me on Instagram at Thando Mahlangu _. Ngiyathokoza.